Welcome to Cromex.io, an upcoming cryptocurrency exchange platform built for the future of digital trading. Currently, you can access and use our P2P trading platform directly through Cromex.io, enabling seamless crypto transactions with fiat currency. In this tutorial, we'll guide you step-by-step on how to set up your account and start trading on the Cromex P2P platform. Open your browser and search for Cromex.io. Go to the Login section and sign in using your email. Once you successfully log in, your P2P trading platform is ready to use. This is your dedicated space to trade Tianex and other cryptocurrencies directly with fiat currency. Before you begin trading, you need to complete 3 important sections in your profile. KYC verification. Go to the Profile menu and click on KYC verification. Fill in all the required details, upload your government-issued ID, and complete the selfie verification. Payment method setup. Next, click on Payment Methods under the Profile menu. Add your bank account details and UPI information to enable smooth transactions. Wallet creation. Now, go to My Wallets under the Profile section. Select your preferred blockchain. If you are using ClubMos, choose ClubMos and click on Create Wallet. Your wallet is now ready on Cromex.io. Please wait for your KYC verification to be approved. Once approved, you will have full access to all platform features. To start trading, you need to deposit your tokens. Go to My Wallets, copy your deposit wallet address. For example, if you want to send Tianex tokens, open your personal wallet like MetaMask or any other wallet. Click on Send, select Tianex token, enter the amount, paste your Cromex wallet address, and confirm the transaction. After sending, return to Cromex and go to the Wallet section. Click on Check Deposits. Once confirmed, your tokens will be available for P2P trading. Now, go to My Ads under the Profile menu and click on Post Ad. You will see 2 options. I want to sell crypto, I want to buy crypto. Since we have Tianex tokens, select Sell Crypto. Choose your network. Select the cryptocurrency. Select your preferred fiat currency. Enter pricing details and complete all required fields. Select your payment methods and set your payment time window. Then click Post Ad. Your ad is now live. Buyers can connect with you and start trading instantly. Once a buyer connects, a chat window will open where you can communicate directly and finalize the deal securely. If you want to buy tokens, simply browse available ads and click on Buy Tianex to proceed. That's it. You are now ready to trade on Cromex.io P2P platform. Simple, secure, and built for the future of crypto trading.